Hello everyone, today we're going to bake something from yeast dough and it's going to be delicious rolled poppy seed buns. So I've sifted 500 grams of plain flour into a bowl. Now we'll prepare the yeast starter. We've poured lukewarm milk into a bowl, not hot, not cold, but gently lukewarm, 250 milliliters. Now add about a teaspoon of granulated sugar, carefully. Stir it. And add 42 grams of yeast, which is a whole cube of yeast. Stir it thoroughly for a moment so that the yeast dissolves completely in the milk. And now add some of the sifted flour, about 2 tablespoons. Stir it now. Cover the starter and let it rise slowly. Now, carefully add 70 grams of powdered sugar to the remaining flour mixture. Stir it. Add just a pinch of salt. 3 tablespoons of oil. Egg whites whipped from 2 eggs. And now we patiently wait for the starter to rise until it is ready. So now into this prepared mixture, we carefully add the risen starter. And we knead the dough. So knead the dough until it comes away smoothly and cleanly from the bowl. If the dough is too sticky, add a little flour, but not too much. Be careful, otherwise the cakes or buns will turn out too hard. It's enough to just flour your hand. Alright, so now we'll nicely and evenly flour the bowl, making sure it is well coated. Let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. For about an hour, so while the dough is rising, we'll prepare the poppy seed filling. Put 250 grams of ground poppy seeds into a bowl. Add powdered sugar to taste, as you prefer. Mix. Next, add approximately 180 to 200 grams. Plum jam. Mix again, just. Next, add either rum or for this particular recipe, I used rum cane sugar. You can add either raisins or lemon zest to the mixture, for example, if you prefer. It's up to you. And now slowly add hot milk as needed. The filling shouldn't be too thick, so it can be spread nicely, but not too thin, so it doesn't run out and the air doesn't escape from the buns. For the filling, I use my own homemade poppy seeds, which are the classic kind that you might be familiar with, either black or blue varieties. However, I also have some brown poppy seeds here as well, and I made some delicious homemade plum jam to go with it. All of these products are from homegrown sources, picked straight from the yard, right here at home. Where exactly? They sell a wide variety of different products, including fresh homemade eggs, and they also raise both geese and chickens on their farm. In addition to these, they also sell this delicious poppy seed and make their own homemade traditional plum jam, as well as a range of other products, such as their famous homemade puff pastry. This wonderful farm is called Ziva Dvor, and if you are interested and want to know more about it, you can check out the detailed video on YouTube by Stevo Hrustinek and his exciting new project called Across Slovakia with a Smile. So if you take the time to watch it, you'll definitely learn a lot more about this unique farm and its offerings. Now, after about an hour has passed, our dough has risen beautifully. Just look at the amazing bubbles it makes. We'll now put the dough onto a well-floured work surface, getting ready for the next step. Shall we knead it a little more for a moment? So we've rolled the dough out into a nice even rectangle like this, right? We'll divide it in half, just to be fair. And now we'll carefully spread the filling evenly on each half. The filling be careful not all the way to the edge. About like this, half a centimeter from the edge. And we'll roll the dough up nicely, just like when we're making a strudel. And we just cut it. Like this. And now we carefully and evenly arrange them on a greased baking sheet. So we've prepared them nicely like this. Now we'll cover the buns with plastic wrap and let them rise for about 15 minutes. So once the buns have risen a bit, we'll brush them with a beaten egg mixed with a little milk. And the buns prepared like this go into a preheated oven at 190 degrees until golden brown. And now we just wait. So here we have our rolled buns baked and cooled, and now let's take a moment to taste how they turned out. Look how very soft they are, just like a spider web. And let's taste them. Delicious. Definitely give them a try for sure. Bye.